Well, looks like my tire's done. Started driving and it's flat. Dang. It looks like the tread and everything. I'm trying to air it up here. But let's see. Now my belt broke on the same day. Walk around the store holding my pants, man. New belt though. So, woke up this morning, or it was afternoon here. It's 2:45 p.m. and the tire is flat. It's flat again. I aired it up yesterday at the gas station, not far from here. It's a new gas station, aired it up. So I wanted to leave it overnight and see what would happen, and this is what happened. I couldn't find a nail. But here you go. So I'm probably going to take it up to the tire shop, and it'll probably, I need to hurry though. I need to hurry and eat my breakfast like 2:45 p.m., 2:46 p.m. I need to hurry up and get over there because last time it took hours to get a new tire, so I don't know how it's going to go. But while I'm there, the Target is over there in the same parking lot. I worked at a Super Target in 2021 before I worked at Deck 9 Games. And I know about backstock. Ask the employees about backstock. So they may have the new Mario vs. Donkey Kong that releases tomorrow. So maybe I'll check on that while I'm out. It sucks, man. I was planning on going out, getting some pizza tomorrow and everything, which I haven't had in a long time. So, anyway, just an update here on the car. Hopefully I have a car channel someday. If anyone's interested in seeing more videos on the Genesis Coupe here, let me know. I do have videos out there, but I pretty much stopped making them because I figured no one wanted to watch them. But anyway, there you go. Flat tire. It literally, the tire got flat the same day. Where I was walking in, when I was going to the store yesterday in Walmart. My belt around my waist snapped and broke on me. So I was shopping with my right hand and holding my pants up with my left hand. Pretty hilarious. So, but I got a belt yesterday. Now I have to get new tires. So upgrades. All right, stay tuned. Wow. So as I suspected, I don't know if you can see it. I sort of zoomed in. You see that? This is not the same tire. This is the right side. This is what I was wondering. Because last night, after I aired up the other one, I said, okay, on my way back from the store, I actually heard something on the right side. I swear someone in this neighborhood is doing this crap intentionally. I wouldn't be surprised if they were. So the right tire has some type of nail, a sharp object in it. I can't tell what it is. I don't know what that is. So yeah, I'll probably have to get 2 new tires here, I'm pretty sure. This is crazy, man. So I don't think Friday's gonna happen tomorrow. Oh well. The car is back, baby. So new tires in the rear. 2 new tires in the rear. So it came out of $285. So 2 new tires in the rear. Just washed the whole car, dried it down. I've been out here over an hour, maybe 2 hours almost. Missing Law and Order. Probably have to catch up on it. So there you go. It's clean now. I also vacuumed the inside. Smells good in there now. So here you go. Looks brand new, ready for the dealership. I'll be selling it someday. Hopefully get a G87 M2 someday. That's the next big goal. Here you go. It's clean. So no more flat tire.